Life in the universe is not simply possible. It is mathematically astonishing. The more science advances, the more we discover that the universe is not random, not chaotic, not accidental, but structured around precise physical constants and delicate balances that must be exactly right for life to exist. This is known as the fine-tuning of the universe. And today, we're going to explore whether this stunning precision is the result of chance, necessity, or intelligent design. Fine-tuning does not mean the universe is perfect. It means the universe's fundamental values fall within an extremely narrow range that allows for stars, chemistry, planets, and life. Like a cosmic combination lock, each constant must be within a specific window. If one number shifts, by even a tiny fraction, the universe collapses, freezes, or never forms at all. This is what scientists call the Goldilocks conditions of reality. Let's look at just a few examples. A. The force of gravity. If gravity were slightly stronger, the universe would collapse into black holes. If gravity were slightly weaker, galaxies and planets would never form. The allowed range is so small it's like changing one digit in a number the size of the universe. B. The strength of the electromagnetic force. Change it by 1 part in 10 to the 40 power. That's a 1 with 40 zeros. And atoms would not form. No chemistry, no carbon, no life. C. The cosmological constant. Perhaps the most famous example. If it were even 1 part in 10 to the 120 different, the universe would expand too fast for stars to form. Physicist Steven Weinberg called this the most precise fine-tuning known in science. This level of precision is beyond imagination. Scientists compare the probability of our universe arising by blind chance to a tornado assembling a Boeing 747 from scrap metal, winning the lottery every day for 1,000 years, hitting a single atom in the universe with an arrow fired from Earth. Even atheist physicist Fred Hoyle admitted, a super intellect has monkeyed with physics. In other words, chance is not a compelling explanation. Some scientists propose the multiverse, the idea that many universes exist and we just happen to be in the lucky one. But the multiverse has serious problems. 1. No evidence whatsoever. 2. It multiplies explanations without solving the core problem. 3. Even a multiverse needs a mechanism and laws that tune universes. 4. It simply pushes the question back one level. Who fine-tuned the multiverse? Nobel physicist Roger Penrose calculated that even with infinite universes, the probability of a life-permitting one is still astronomically tiny. In short, the multiverse theory avoids the question, but does not answer it. When we see precision, order, balance, complexity, and mathematical elegance, we do not attribute them to chaos. If a house is perfectly designed, we infer an architect. If a book carries meaning, we infer an author. If a code governs biology, we infer a mind. So what about a universe built on billions of lines of mathematical code? Fine-tuning is best explained by intention, by a mind behind the universe. Centuries before modern physics, the Quran repeatedly invites us to reflect on the balance, precision, and design of creation. He raised the heavens and established the balance. Quran 55:7. The sun and the moon follow exact calculations. Quran 55:5. You will not find in the creation of the Most Merciful any inconsistency. Quran 67:3. The Quran's message is clear. Creation is not random. It is measured, ordered, and purposeful. The fine-tuning of the universe is one of the strongest indicators that our existence is not an accident. The constants, the laws, the forces, the mathematical harmony, all point to a universe that is not just capable of supporting life, but beautifully arranged to do so. And where there is design, there is a designer. Thank you for watching. Episode 3 will explore The DNA Information Problem, Evidence of a Mind. Subscribe for more episodes on science, logic, and the Quran.